Hey everyone, let's dive into a cosmic thought experiment. Imagine our planet, Earth, isn't static, but instead, it's constantly expanding like a balloon being slowly inflated. What would happen to our planet over 1,000 years? Would it be a world recognizable to us, or would it be something utterly alien? So, buckle up as we journey into this hypothetical future where the very ground beneath our feet is constantly shifting, growing, and reshaping our world in dramatic ways. Let's get curious. Picture this. You wake up one morning and something feels off. You feel heavier, like an invisible force is pressing you down. As the Earth expands outward, its volume increases, but let's assume its mass stays relatively constant. What happens? The force of gravity on the surface intensifies. Buildings, bridges, even trees, structures designed for Earth's current gravity, would experience greater stress. We might see more collapses, requiring entirely new architectural and engineering approaches. Increased gravity means our muscles would have to work harder. Our bones might become denser, and our cardiovascular systems would face new challenges. Imagine athletes struggling to break world records, everyday activities becoming more strenuous, and even our height might be affected as gravity compresses our spines. Increased gravity would also impact our planet's atmosphere, compressing it and potentially altering weather patterns in ways we can only begin to imagine. Imagine Earth's crust as a jigsaw puzzle, with each piece representing a tectonic plate. Now, picture those pieces being pushed and pulled as the Earth expands beneath them. The expansion would put immense stress on these plates, increasing friction at their boundaries. The result? Earthquakes would become more frequent and intense, shaking cities to their core. Volcanoes dormant for centuries might roar back to life, spewing lava and ash into the atmosphere. As the Earth expands, new crust could be generated at divergent plate boundaries where plates move apart. This could lead to the formation of entirely new landmasses rising from the ocean depths. Coastlines would be redrawn, countries reshaped, and humanity would be forced to adapt to a planet in constant geological flux. Hold on to your hats, folks, because things are about to get wild with the weather. As Earth expands, its atmosphere is stretched thinner, and that has major implications for our climate. The delicate balance that governs our weather patterns is thrown into disarray. First off, temperatures could fluctuate wildly. The expanding Earth might experience periods of intense heat, as the thinner atmosphere traps less heat from the sun. But then, these could be followed by extreme cold snaps, as the same thin atmosphere allows heat to escape more easily. The shifting atmospheric patterns and warmer ocean temperatures could fuel superstorms of unprecedented fury. Rainfall patterns would also be disrupted, leading to severe droughts in some regions and torrential downpours in others. It's a world of climate extremes where survival depends on adapting to a constantly changing environment. Life on Earth is incredibly resilient. It's survived ice ages, asteroid impacts, and even the rise of the dinosaurs and their eventual fall. But could it survive a planet that's constantly expanding? That's the million-dollar question. Some species, especially those with short lifespans and high reproductive rates, might be able to adapt to the changing conditions. They might evolve new traits, allowing them to thrive in a world of increased gravity, seismic activity, and extreme weather. But for other species, especially those already struggling for survival, the expanding Earth could be the final nail in the coffin. Imagine iconic animals like elephants, giraffes, and whales struggling to adapt to the changing gravity. Plant life wouldn't be spared either. Forests could be decimated by extreme weather events, while changes in soil composition and water availability could wipe out entire ecosystems. It's a sobering thought. The expanding Earth could trigger a mass extinction event, wiping out countless species and leaving our planet a shadow of its former biodiversity. So, there you have it. A glimpse into a future where Earth keeps growing. It's a future full of challenges, but also incredible opportunities for adaptation and evolution. While the expanding Earth hypothesis remains outside the scientific mainstream, it serves as a powerful reminder of the dynamic nature of our universe. It encourages us to question our assumptions, to explore new ideas, and to never stop marveling at the wonders of the cosmos. So, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never lose your sense of wonder.